first order of the day is a shop and deliver for Safeway. I believe it said $26 going about 6 miles, 7 items. Yeah, here we go.
All right.
Thank you. Open this. There's only 2 of those. 2 of these. Next order came in right away. The shop and deliver for Safeway. $26 going about 7 miles, 7 items.
Hopefully people are generous with their tipping.
Got it. You as well, thank you. What is this? Safeway, $16.75 going less than 6 miles, 5 items. Sure. Go. Easy enough. Looks like they're making nachos or something.
Did you want the tray in the bag?
0 tip on that one, by the way. Why would there be a tip? All right, next order up is a Starbucks. $24 going about 8 miles. Tell me the store's closed, man. Oh my god. I drove all the way here and it's closed. What is this? Shop and deliver for PetSmart, 1 item, $11 for less than 4 miles. Morning. Oh, no way, it's 44 pounds. Oh, fuck me. Bro, if I fall here, I'm gonna lose it. Yep. Yeah, you too. All right, next order just came in. It is a stacked order, Sherry's and 7-Eleven. I think the total was like $22 and some change, going about 8 miles. Thank you. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You as well.
Be careful out there.
All right, next up is a stacked order, McDonald's and Taco Bell. $30 going just under 10 miles for both of them.
Okay, here's Andy.
Thank you. You too.
Yeah.
Bruh. Thank you. Thank you. Enjoy the snow. Oh. First fall of the day. At least it was inside my car. All right, I need to travel further into my zone because where I'm at right now, I'm just gonna be stuck pretty much. None of these orders are gonna take me back to where I usually drive. Anyways, see you on the next order. I'm a little bit closer to where I want to be, so I accepted this Carl's Jr. order, $17.25 going 5 miles. Thank you. Close. Thank you, you too. Next up is a stacked order, PetSmart and Jack in the Box. $25 and some change going about 10 miles. Yep. There you go. Thank you. All right, next up is the Starbucks, $20.75 going 7 miles. That's annoying.
Have a good one.
Thank you, you too. Man, that was awful. I was literally held hostage because 3 other cars got behind me in the drive-thru. So I couldn't even unassign. That was at least 10 to 15 minutes in the drive-thru. So I don't know if there's parking on this side of the street. So I'm just gonna have to walk the rest of the way. There is places to park. Oh well. We can enjoy the scenery for a bit. Thank you. All right, where are we going? Next order up is a McDonald's, $13.75 going 4 miles. I see a piece of paper on the door, so I'm just gonna go through the drive-thru. I'm not wasting my time.
845, sorry.
Yep.
Have a good day.
You too. All right, this is the last order for today. The momentum has been ruined. Now I'm starving and I want to go home. I'm also running out of gas, so that's another excuse.
Hi.
Hello.
Thank you.
Sure. Have a good day. $1 tip, huh? That's crazy. All right, I'm done. Current time is 2:03. Current total, or I guess total, is 231, I think. Next one is probably going to be pretty similar to today. So hopefully the money is just as good. I am a little worried that more restaurants are going to be closed tomorrow. So we'll see what happens. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye.